Today we're going to learn how to make Alfredo sauce like a boss. Hey again, great to see you. Here are the ingredients to our Alfredo sauce. Garlic, shallots, a little bit of butter, Parmesan cheese, and cream. I guess a little olive oil as well. Okay, let's get started. There is this pan's been heated up. I'm going to add a little extra virgin olive oil and allow the aromatics to warm up with the oil. So a little bit of garlic. I diced way too much shallot, so we'll go easy here. And just allow your aromatics to sweat in the oil. Actually, I'm gonna add a little bit more oil. Oh my goodness. Is there anything that smells better than garlic? Well, I'm sure there is, but nothing comes to mind right now. Now the ratio of cream to Parmesan, it's a pint to about 5 or 6 ounces of Parmesan. So what I'm going to do is just dump the cream in and let that come up to heat. And then as that starts to simmer, we just slowly add the Parmesan till it gets to the consistency that you and your guests prefer. All right, as you can see, our cream has started to simmer, reached a pretty good simmering point. And at this point, we need to add a little bit of our cheese. You want to add it in gradually, allowing it time to actually melt into the cream. Just want to keep stirring, or stirring occasionally if you're brave, until you can see that those piece of the cheese has started to melt and incorporate into the cream. Now, if you find that your cream is starting to get too violent as far as the heat, just turn it down. All we really need to do is maintain a simmer. And yes, you do want to stir it, because sometimes the cheese settles in the cream and it starts to burn. All right, you can see now, for some of you, this is where you like your Alfredo. Me, not so much. I like mine a little thicker, and my family likes it a little thicker. So a little more cheese it is. And at this point, I'm going to turn the heat down a little bit and season to taste. I know we're going to want a little bit of salt, but the cheese is already pretty salty. And then pepper, and my family loves plenty of pepper. Oh yeah, baby. That is just, I know I kind of toot my own horn, but it's not like it took a lot of skill to do this. It's just lovely. There's one other little thing that you can do that I like to do, and that is to add just a pat of butter or so. It does enhance the flavor, but it also puts a sheen on it that is just killer. I consider it a privilege to be able to share one of my passions with you. Thank you for letting me do that, and thank you for watching.